Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from CarWow. I'm sat in a Bentley Flying Spur and next to me is a BMW M2 CS and we're going to have a drag race, which may seem a little bit odd. Now the reason I'm doing this race is because someone who has a BMW M2 CS is probably a bit of a boy racer and they may like to think that they're going to be able to blast a luxury limousine like this car away from the lights, and in a drag race they'll just slaughter it. But it's not necessarily going to be that easy, really. You see this Bentley, it has a 6-litre W12 twin turbo with 635 horsepower and 900 newton meters of torque. It powers all 4 wheels by an 8-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. There are a few things that are going against it though, because of all the leather, the wood, the metal, and God knows what else luxury is fitted to this car. It weighs a lot. It comes in at 2,437 kilos. Also costs a lot as well. It's like £168,000, and that's just the starting price. Still, that BMW, it may be cheaper, but it's also quite expensive for an entry-level-ish M car. It starts from £75,000 for that version. Now it has a really cool engine in it, so it's the one from the M4 competition. So it's a 3-litre twin turbo straight 6 with 450 horsepower and 550 newton meters of torque. It sends power to the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox, once again with launch control, and it should launch pretty well because it's fairly light compared to this car. That BMW weighs 1,572 kilos, so it's going to be very, very interesting. I want to compare the noise of these cars. So we're going to do a sound check, because we always do in these CarWow drag races, and I'm going to listen to this Bentley first, so let's rev it. I can feel that big engine just like shaking the car, the inertia of the engine. It's fairly quiet in here, and there's a soft limiter stopping me revving it past 3,000 RPM so that I don't annoy my passenger and probably chauffeuring in the back seats. On the outside though, it sounds a lot better. I mean, that just goes to show the sound insulation you have on this car. It is super luxurious. Anyway, let's have a listen to that BMW. Go on, rev up that BMW. Rev it all the way up, no soft limiters there. Now before we race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you will not miss a single video. Also, why not follow us on Instagram at CarWow. Anyway, let's get on with this race and let's see if we can keep that boy racer at bay with this luxury car. Come on Bentley, you can do it.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Okay, it's time to race, but before we do, I'm going to let the BMW warm up his tyres, seeing as it's rear-wheel drive. Go on BMW, do your thing, go on. Nice, controlled, steady drift. Now I'm going to shock him though, because he's probably not expecting me to be able to do a little bit of hooligan driving, but I'm going to do it, god damn it. Wow. Yeah, I take that BMW. I bet he wasn't expecting that. Anyway, let's get back into position for the race.
3.
Come on, Bentas, we can do it.
1.
He bolted the line, I'm off. Oh dear. He did a bad job on that. Your launch looked awful.
Yeah, the launch control was on, but it just scrabbled around for ages off the line. Just couldn't get its power down.
Do you want another go?
Yeah, I think we probably should, yeah.
Come on, Bentley, my old mate. You can destroy the Germans. The German hooligan.
2. 1.
Gone off the line. Where is he? Nope, no chance. No chance for him. No chance. Is he going to be third time lucky for the BMW? See if he can actually manage to put down its power. I'm feeling smug right now.
3, 2, 1.
coming now! Come on, Bentley, this is going to be so close. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! No! So close. When the BMW times it right, it does the business. I'm not entirely sure which car won.
So then what exactly happened? Well, both cars completed the standing quarter mile in 12 seconds flat, but the freeze frame shows the BMW won by the narrowest of margins. Thing is, I've had an 11.5 seconds for a standing quarter out of a Bentley Flying Spur before, and if you look at the start of this last race, you can see I was noticeably slower off the line than the BMW, whereas its stars seemed to fully align and it launched perfectly and then hooked up also perfectly, therefore taking the win. Serves me right, I guess, for being so cocky in the first 2 races when I destroyed it with my all-wheel drive system. Oh well.
Now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Cars in comfort mode and in automatic mode for their gearboxes. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Kick down, come on. This kicked down better than that. And that's got a dual clutch. So is this. I forgot. Oh, he's going to come past. Is he? Come on. Too fast for tyre pressures. Oh, I don't care. I'm going to risk it. He's not going to catch me. That's it. Win for the big Bentley. I can brake now. Very pleased with that. Now we can have another rolling race from 50 miles an hour, but this time the cars are in the sporty setting, the gearbox locked in third, so I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Respond. It responded. Come on, Bentley. Oh, he picked up quicker. Have I got enough runway to catch him? His top speed is 174. This is, oh, tyre pressure warning again. This one will do 207 miles an hour. Come on, I'm being brave, worried about the tyre pressures. I am now coming past him. Now that's it, I'm braking. Brake harder, that's the end of the runway. There we go. Did you get up to your top speed?
No, because once it gets up to like 165, it starts slowing down, and it's just the rate at which you keep accelerating past me is unbelievable.
Another victory for the Bentley. Depends what country you're in. You know, on the motorway. No, that would have won. But we're not. We're on a runway for the Bentley one, alright? Now we can have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. It's got common ceramic brakes. I've got iron brakes. Let's see what happens. I don't believe it. This one. I was not expecting that. It goes like stink. It stops like stink. It's beautiful inside. I love it. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Also, let me know in the comments below what are the drag races you'd like us to do. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you will not miss a single video. Also, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, it's @MattWatsonCars. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.